Magicman are here today at the London ExCel. What we're doing is promoting Magicman within the cruise industry, making them aware of what the services Magicman can offer within the cruise industry. So my role at Magicman is the marine manager. So I tend to run the larger projects that we do. So basically what Magicman does, we repair and restore hard surfaces all around the ship, whether it be in the cabins or the public areas. Any damages, dents, scratches, cracks. What we do, we go in, we repair it and we restore the damaged surface to its original state.
The Cruise Ship Interiors Expo in London here in ExCel 2021 has been exemplary. Yesterday and today, the quality of the people coming through, visiting, new clients, old clients, new and old friends. It's certainly worthwhile the effort to come here, and it's great to see so many people enjoying the show. Magicman has been serving the cruise industry since about 2008, and what we do is we work with the cruise line operators and the contractors and fit-out companies and everything by repairing damage on board to any hard surface. So we negate the need to replace damaged items because we repair in situ. There's no ancillary damage caused by removing and replacing new items. So we're a service that pretty much everyone here at the Expo can utilise.